Okay, stand back. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
There's nothing in
Stop.
there. Stop.
I see it.
There's nothing in there. Stop.
Stop resisting.
Please,
There's
I'm
open
not.
alcohol right there. There is. Stop fighting me.
Please don't.
Stop fighting.
I'm not.
Stop fighting.
Listen, you're scaring the hell out of your kid. Relax.
Stop.
Please,
Stop.
I'm not drunk. Can I blow into the breathalyzer?
Relax.
I pee in my pants. Just please.
On the 28th of October, 2025, Illinois officers responded to a welfare check on a stationary vehicle and found a mother with her young daughter inside.
I live with my uncle. I'm not drunk. I promise you, I'm not. No, I have not. I literally just picked my daughter up from school. I thought I should have just got gas in Mazan.
Okay.
I thought my vehicle said 38 miles.
Let me just check your eyes real fast. Is that okay?
You're fine.
All right. Keep your head still.
Okay.
I want you to follow just the tip of this pen with just your eyes. Keep your head still.
I'm not,
okay.
I promise you,
Okay.
I'm not.
No,
I'm just
this will
upset.
show it. Okay. Just follow it with just your eyes. Keep your head still.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Listen to me. This is your one chance to tell the truth. Your eyes are bouncing like crazy.
No, I'm not lying. I promise you, I'm not.
I can see it when I hold it out here.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not
What kind of
lying.
medication are you on?
I'm not in any medication.
Listen.
I'm not in any medication. I literally just picked my daughter up from
Your
school.
eyes have what's called nystagmus.
But I'm not. I'm just going. I had to call programs and everything today.
All right, let's do this again. Okay, just stand. Okay.
I'm not doing that.
Haley, relax.
It's just
okay?
anxiety.
Relax. Okay,
It's
just follow this.
anxiety.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Just,
I literally.
Okay.
It's
Just follow
anxiety.
it. Okay.
I'm not doing anything.
Are you taking any medication for anxiety?
I was fine, but I'm not doing anything like that. No.
Okay. I just want to check these. Okay, because they're bouncing around pretty good.
They're not. I'm just really nervous.
Sean, you want to look at this? I mean, this is pretty prominent.
I'm not.
Just follow.
Yeah, you're not driving.
I'm not doing.
Listen.
I'm just really upset.
Okay. Would you take a portable breath test?
I'm not doing nothing like that.
Would you take one?
I'm not doing nothing like that.
Listen.
I haven't drank or nothing. I literally just picked Carolyn up from
let me just
school and my car died out of gas.
let me just put something to you. If you haven't been drinking, why not take a portable breath test?
I'm not doing nothing.
Because you have been and you're lying.
I'm not lying.
You know what? You're real close to just going to jail right now.
I'm not lying.
You.
I'm not lying.
Well,
Listen, your daughter's in the car.
I'm not lying.
I am not asking you anything. I'm telling you something.
I'm not lying.
Listen.
Asking you anything. I'm telling
I
you.
am listening.
Your daughter's in the car.
I know, and I am listening.
So if you are, and you know in your heart whether or not you have been drinking or doing drugs.
I haven't been doing either of those things. I'm just really upset. So can I just call?
Nystagmus isn't upset. It's your physiological reaction to this stimulant.
No, it's not that. I'm really just. I've been calling for programs. I have to go through the Garden Angel and everything.
I get it. But let me explain to you what HGN means. It means horizontal gaze nystagmus.
But I'm not
that means it's caused by alcohol consumption.
But I'm not doing that.
So you're going to tell me that you didn't have one drop of alcohol today?
No.
What are you chewing on? Right, to cover the odor of alcohol coming off your breath.
No, it's not that.
You are.
No, I'm not. I don't have a toothbrush.
Okay, then how
I
about...
don't have a toothbrush or nothing. I don't have nothing right now.
Listen to me.
Please don't come at me like that. I'm not.
Okay, I offered you a portable breath test, right? You said you're not doing that because you've been drinking.
No, I have not. I know I have not. I've been talking to my programs. I've been talking to everybody today.
I get it.
I'm overwhelmed.
Here's the deal. Who can come and pick you up?
My cousin or my brother.
Okay, where they live at?
Close by.
Call them.
I'm just upset. I'm not doing anything.
Listen.
I just need help.
Listen.
I'm not doing anything.
Call them.
I am.
Call them and ask them to come here.
I will.
Okay.
I'm not.
Call them right now while we're standing here.
I just ran out of gas.
I get it. I get that.
And all I've been doing is dashing, and I thought I was going to make it to the BP right there because Forrest is really busy with dashing.
I get it.
Driving and drinking and all that stuff to make money.
I just don't know why you have nystagmus in your eyes.
I haven't done nothing though.
Okay.
And I took a drug test and everything.
Why did you take a drug test?
because of everything that's been going on.
I don't know what's been going on. Here's the thing. I don't want to see you drive and have something happen, all right?
No. And I'm not doing that.
I know, but your eyes are really showing nice stagnance.
No, it's not that. I'm really upset because
I get it.
I'm just stressed out, but I really need, that's what it is, and I just really need the money.
I get it. I totally get it. That's why I know. I understand.
The money.
Were you involved in drug use at all?
Oh, no.
Okay.
I never, no.
Okay. When you were just talking about whatever's going on, whatever situation you got going on.
I never.
Because you said you took a drug test.
Because they had me.
Who had you?
The police and them. Because they wanted me to take a drug test and everything for
What police department?
Pontiac. They wanted to make sure I did everything.
Was that today?
Yes.
So you took a drug test today already?
Everything was negative.
Okay.
Because I've never done anything. I never have, and all I'm doing is trying to do everything right, and I keep taking the right steps, and it's just, I'm just upset.
Right, I get that, but
I'm going through,
being
and
upset.
you don't know what I'm going through.
Okay, no, I don't. You're right, I don't.
That's all it is.
But let me just tell you, nystagmus is not cause from being upset.
Well,
it's an involuntary jerkiness of the eye caused by alcohol consumption.
But I'm not. I haven't.
You said you were drinking over the weekend, right?
But it's Tuesday.
Okay, I get it. So you haven't had anything today. When's your last drink?
Huh?
When's the last time you had a drink?
Sunday night, Monday night.
Okay. I still don't understand why they gave you a drug test. Was there drugs involved over the weekend?
No, I don't do that.
Okay, but why would they ask you to do a drug test, though?
No, they just said that it's just procedure. So they just wanted to make sure. And
was this done at the hospital or at the police department?
No, it was at my home.
Okay.
No, they just wanted
Are you on probation at all?
No.
Okay.
No. I don't have nothing on my record.
Okay, so the police department came to your house.
Yes, they just want to make sure because stuff with my ex-boyfriend had happened, and then I put myself in the wrong predicament. And
what kind of wrong predicament are you talking about?
I got told that I haven't seen her forever. I got told that they were good, and I guess they have been drinking way more, and they were driving my car.
Okay.
I learned my lesson
this
from
car?
that. Yes. I learned my lesson from that.
Okay.
I haven't, no, it's just everything all at once, and I understand, you know.
It's just kind of weird they'd give you a drug test, though.
No, they just want to, they said it's procedure. They just want to make sure. Is what they told me. Is what I got told.
Yeah. I don't know.
I'm not lying to you. I'm literally just...
I get it. So you submitted to a drug test today.
Yes.
Why wouldn't you submit to a breath test now, then?
I'm not... I can now. I'm not doing nothing.
Well, that's why I asked you if you would take one.
Well, I don't know.
Would you pass?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I just... I don't know what...
What? You don't know what?
I just don't know what to do right now. It's just everything has me... all freaking out. I just don't know. So
is there anything illegal in the car?
Heck no.
Can I look in there and make sure there isn't?
There's nothing in there.
Can I look to make sure?
There's nothing in there.
Okay, it's up to you. I'm just asking a question. So she's in a car seat and everything, all good? Okay. Can I look in the rest?
That's it.
Can I look in the rest?
That's it.
Okay, is yes or no? Can I look in the car?
That's it.
Yeah, it's gonna be a yes or no. Here, stand over here. Don't go out on the road.
I'm not.
Okay, listen. Okay.
I'm not doing anything. There's nothing in here.
Okay.
There's really nothing in here.
What is that? Your purse?
My cow purse, yes.
Okay. You're acting real strange now.
I'm not.
You are though.
I'm not though. I'm embarrassed because this is literally all the clothes I have.
I get it.
I don't have anything. I've been going through so much.
What, do you got a dog or a cat?
I got a dog.
Okay, where's the dog at? Home?
My uncle's are at home. Yes, I live with my uncle.
What else? What's in the front that you don't want me to find?
There's nothing in there.
Can I look?
There's nothing in there.
Is it okay if I look?
There's nothing in there.
As I'm standing here, I'm getting alcohol coming off you now.
There's nothing in there.
Look it. We can play a game or I can just arrest you right now.
I'm not playing a game.
Listen, you are.
I'm not.
How much did you drink? It's hitting me in the face right now.
I'm not.
Okay, we're done playing.
I'm not playing games. Please don't.
How much did you? Then how much did you drink?
I didn't. I'm not
Haley,
playing
you're lying. Where are you going?
I'm not playing games.
What are you after?
There's nothing in here.
Okay, stand back. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
There's nothing in
Stop.
there.
I see it.
Stop. you are. There's nothing in there. Stop.
Stop resisting.
Please,
There's
I'm
open
not.
alcohol
No,
right there.
I'm not.
There is. Stop fighting me.
Please don't.
Stop fighting.
I'm not.
Stop fighting.
Please not.
You're drunk.
No, I'm not.
Stop resisting.
I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk.
Get your
I'm
belly.
not drunk. Please don't.
Get
I'm not
your
drunk.
belly.
I'm
Get
not
another car.
drunk. I'm not drunk.
You are.
I'm not
Stop.
Get out. Stop resisting. Stop.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
I'm not drunk.
Now you're.
Relax.
I'm not drunk.
Relax.
I'm
Stop
not drunk.
resisting.
I'm not drunk. Please.
Yep.
Stop resisting.
Please, I'm not
There's a kid in
drunk.
there. You got him?
Please.
Yeah, I got
Can
it.
I'm not drunk. Can I please?
Listen, you're
Please.
scaring the hell out of your kid. Relax.
Stop.
Please. Can you please?
Stop.
Please.
Think
I'm
about
not
what you're doing to
drunk.
your kid.
Stop.
I'm not drunk.
Just relax.
Stop.
I'm not drunk. Can I blow into the breathalyzer? I'm not drunk. This shit has been in my car since then. Can I blow?
Okay.
Can I blow?
Well, you're resisting.
Can I
Relax.
blow? Can I blow?
Relax.
Can I blow?
Relax.
Can I blow?
Relax.
Can I blow?
Relax.
Please,
Sit down.
please. I don't want to lose. Please, please, please.
Relax.
I pee in my pants. Just please.
Oh, that.
I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. This is all been in my car since.
Relax.
This has all been in my
We're done.
This is all been.
We're done.
This has all been in my
We're
car.
done.
This is
Relax.
This has all been in my car since.
Listen to what you're doing to your child.
I know, but this
Well,
is
then
all.
relax. You're
I know,
scaring the hell
but-
out of your kid.
But I'm scaring myself. This has all been in my car since.
Well, then when we settle
Relax.
it, we'll settle it. Just relax. You gotta think about your child right
I
now.
know, but
When I tell you stop going in the car and you say no, that's a problem.
But that's all
And
been
you go reaching in.
But that's all been in my car since this has happened.
Well, you're drinking today, and it really smells coming off
I
you
have
now.
not.
Just relax.
Listen, I gave you the chance to be honest. I told you stop reaching in your car, and you kept doing it, correct?
I understand.
Okay then, that's why it went south.
I understand. I understand. I understand.
So we put her in a cage.
Please don't.
Well, wet. She peed her pants. She kept reaching in the car, told her not to. You can see the open alcohol in there. She's been drinking, tried to give her a break. She lied the whole time that she hasn't been, but she has. She got her child in the car, and then she resisted arrest.
Nicole City Middle School for the activated general fire alarm.
She's got these.
Morris, what you're doing with engines.
The brother, she called her brother, and he's been on his way from Ransom or somewhere.
Weed mixed with pills.
That's what's in there?
Yeah.
3112, repeat your traffic.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Massachusetts 2413 en route.
I don't know. I talked to DCFS. Yeah, they just literally were dealt with her yesterday. She was in, well, the other day she was in a car with a guy that was drunk. She was drunk, and the child was in that car. That was in Livingston County. Yeah, so he said go ahead and start a new incident on her. Like, I'm going to ding her with the PCS for those pills, the DUI, and resistance.
What followed was a 13-minute encounter, ending in 3 criminal charges, a physical arrest, and DCFS taking temporary custody of the child. The central legal question: did the officer have sufficient basis at each stage, from the field sobriety test, to the vehicle search, to the use of force? The officer initiated a horizontal gaze nystagmus test, HGN, without first establishing reasonable suspicion of a crime. Contact began as a community caretaking welfare check under KDV Dąbrowski 1973. Under that doctrine, no reasonable suspicion is required. But moving from welfare check into a sobriety investigation requires articulable facts, something more than a car stopped on the roadside. The HGN test is admissible under 625 ILCS 511-501.2 as evidence of impairment. However, HGN is not exclusive to alcohol. Congenital nystagmus, inner ear disorders, and certain medications can produce identical results. The officer stated nystagmus is caused by alcohol consumption, full stop. That is legally imprecise, and defense counsel will exploit it. The accurate formulation is that alcohol is the most common cause of angle-dependent nystagmus, not the only one. The subject offered a potentially significant detail. She had submitted to a drug test earlier that same day, administered at her home by law enforcement, with all results negative. If verifiable, this is material exculpatory evidence. The officer then offered a portable breath test. The subject refused. Under Illinois law, refusing a roadside PBT is a civil infraction, not criminal. It does not constitute probable cause for arrest standing alone. However, the officer detected the odor of alcohol emanating directly from the subject's person at close range, not from the vehicle. Illinois courts have consistently held that an officer's detection of alcohol odor during a lawful encounter establishes independent probable cause for a DUI arrest. That single observation, alcohol odor from the person, is legally sufficient. At that moment, the officer's probable cause was no longer dependent on the disputed HGN results. The officer then sought consent to search the vehicle under Schneckloth v. Bustamante, 1973. The subject's response was ambiguous, neither a clear yes nor a clear no. Courts examined the totality of the circumstances to assess whether consent was voluntary, given the subject's visible distress, the extended duration of the encounter, and the officer's statement that she was real close to going to jail. A defense attorney will argue that any consent given was the product of coercion rather than free will. The issue becomes moot, however, when the open alcohol container was discovered during the search. Under the automobile exception established in Carroll v. United States, 1925, that discovery provided independent probable cause to search the entire vehicle without consent. Pills mixed with cannabis were subsequently found. This triggers two separate charges: possession of a controlled substance under 720 ILCS 570/402, and possession of cannabis under 720 ILCS 554. The subject then reached into the vehicle multiple times after being ordered to stop. Under 720 ILCS 531-1, resisting or obstructing a peace officer requires knowing resistance to an authorized act. The officer's lawful search commands qualified. The use of force that followed is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 1989. Three factors apply: the severity of the suspected crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether she was actively resisting. Here, the suspected crime was DUI with a minor present, a felony-adjacent charge under Illinois law when child endangerment is considered. The subject was accessing a vehicle with unknown contents. She was actively resisting commands. All three Graham factors supported force. After being physically restrained, the subject requested the breathalyzer she had previously refused. Under Illinois implied consent law, 625 ILCS 511-501.1, the evidentiary breath test is administered at the station, not at roadside. Her request at this stage had no legal effect on the arrest. Officers also noted this was the second incident in 48 hours involving this subject and the same child, the prior contact occurring in Livingston County. DCFS notification and temporary custody was the appropriate response under 325 ILCS 5/4. The primary officer receives a B+. His initial approach was patient and de-escalatory. His arrest was legally grounded in independent probable cause, alcohol odor, open container, controlled substances found. His use of force was proportionate under Graham v. Connor. However, his repeated statement that nystagmus is exclusively caused by alcohol is factually imprecise and legally exploitable. And his early accusatory language, "you're lying," before independent corroboration, was tactically premature. The subject receives a C. Her situation was difficult, but she voluntarily provided statements about prior drinking, prior incidents, and a home drug test, none of which she was legally obligated to disclose. The Fifth Amendment protects pre-arrest silence. Her decision to reach into the vehicle after multiple lawful commands is what generated the resisting arrest charge, and her refusal of the PBT, followed by a request to blow only after arrest, will read poorly before a jury. Lesson 1. Silence is a right, not an admission. Pre-arrest questioning carries no legal obligation to respond. Every voluntary statement becomes evidence. Lesson 2. A field sobriety test is evidence, not a verdict. HGN establishes probable cause for arrest. It does not establish guilt. Medical conditions and medications can produce identical results. Challenge the foundation. Lesson 3. Consent to search is a choice, not a requirement. A clear, unambiguous refusal cannot be used against you at trial under the Fourth Amendment. Ambiguity works against you. Lesson 4. Complying with a lawful command is not an admission of guilt. Reaching into a vehicle after being ordered to stop elevated a DUI stop into a resisting arrest charge. Physical compliance protects your legal position. Lesson 5. For law enforcement, imprecise legal language in the field becomes imprecise testimony in court. Stating that HGN is caused exclusively by alcohol opens a suppression argument. Precision matters from the first command to the final report. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.